Sit back, relax, and go to heaven with DD Squad.
"14 more to go." You can see a bit of blue sky up there.
You can see by the look on our faces that the climb is not so easy.
It takes a lot of effort to get up this chimney, and for us it was even more effort because we had to haul up a whole lot of equipment.
So we're carrying a lot of safety equipment, safety gear, cameras, water, and of course chocolate bars.
I think it's going good. I mean, we're only 1 hour behind schedule, so that's perfect.
Only 1 hour?
Yeah.
The last bag is up on the top, and this is one of 6 bags. It's about 100 kilos of equipment that we brought up. And it took us hours, but it was all so worth it, man. Like on the way up, seeing all the mist and the clouds from above, sunrise saying hello to us in the morning. Once you come to the top and you take a look over the edge into the chimney, scary, man. So to put things in perspective, the height of the Eiffel Tower is 324 meters. And the chimney in Trbovlje is 360 meters tall.
It's time for morning yoga on 360 meters.
Woo! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Woo! We're almost as high as Snoop Dogg, you know?
So right now I'm preparing for human flag. I'm gonna do it out of this cage. It's pretty sketchy because it's all wobbly and the edges of it are sharp as fuck. It's one of the best views. But you need a good heart. That was intense and painful at the same time.
The scariest part for me, because I was securing everything, was the thought of someone falling and the rope ripping. Everything is super secure, but still there's a lot of sharp edges. And this is what makes me nervous.